We'll guide you through how to apply filters in Inkscape, making your designs pop with creative effects. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Inkscape on your computer. Make sure you have your project ready or create a new document if you're starting fresh. Select the object or text you want to apply a filter to by clicking on it. Next, go to the top menu and click on Filters. This will drop down a list of filter options. You'll see categories like blurs, color, distort, and many more. Hover over each category to see the specific filters available. For example, if you want to add a blur effect, hover over blurs and choose Gaussian blur. Click on it to apply the effect to your selected object. You can adjust the filter's intensity by going to the Filters menu again and selecting Filter Editor. Here, you'll find various parameters you can tweak to get the desired effect, like changing the blur radius or adjusting the color intensity. If you don't like the applied filter, you can easily remove it by selecting the object, going to the Filters menu and clicking Remove Filters. This will revert your object back to its original state. Don't be afraid to experiment with different filters and combinations to see what works best for your design. Each filter can drastically change the look and feel of your project, adding a unique touch that can make it stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect, and the more you explore, the more proficient you'll become with Inkscape's powerful tools. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.